Right, so, oh, the sun's in my eyes, that sucks. All right, we'll do this from in here, maybe. All right, so we've got the Duke out, and basically it just needs a good wash. But first, I noticed some crap coming out of the fork seals. So I've made this little scraping tool, and today I'm going to get in there and just try to clean up the crap, and hopefully I can clean it up enough so that it doesn't leak out when I go to take it for a roadworthy, and they're not going to hit me up for new fork seals. So preventative maintenance today. First time I've tried something like this, so we'll see how I go. So I know the GoPro's not brilliant at close-up stuff, but you can see the residue around there. So the idea is to pop that seal off and then use this, probably that side, to get up in there and scrape down some of the mess. I am not confident of that center stand. That's too flimsy. There we go. So we can definitely see some residue. It doesn't look like it's actually leaking. It does just look like maybe that seal's a bit dirty. But we're really not going to know Basically, this is the idea, is that we get that hook in around the top and we just scrape all the stuff down. There's already a significant amount of filth that has come out of there. That's just the dust seal too. Shit. I'm going to have to be very careful here because I am not confident that this bike is stable. You know what? I actually think this milk bottle material might be too thick. I don't have the same issue on the other side, mind you. But I think even just scraping out the dust seal might be better than not. Where did my scraper go? Even just doing that. Yeah, it's not too bad. It depends how picky they want to be, I guess. But the bike in general just needs a solid wash with the high pressure spray. So I think that's what we're going to do this morning. We're going to take it down to the car wash and just get the high pressure hose on there, because it's covered in road grime from even looking at the rear suspension here. There's crap all over the exhaust, there's chain spray stuff all up there. The wheels are filthy. This whole bike just needs a good, solid clean. How much has that given us? 3 minutes. All right, we can do this in 3 minutes. How'd we do? 40 seconds left. Not bad. Right. Now, the key to getting out of here scot-free is I like to ride the brakes on the way out. We got away with that without the seat getting too wet. So I'm just... There's a couple of areas around the exhaust that I was a little worried about. You know, covered in crap, so I think that's going to help me, you know, get the worst of it out. And seeing as I sprayed the chain with water, I should probably do some chain cleaner on that sooner rather than later. Alright, here's the fun part. Everything's a bit slippery now, so I must be careful. Now we're going to ride the brakes a little to dry them out. Because the last thing I need is to go for the brakes and have them be a bit squidgy. But that already feels good. All right, let's go get some fuel.